I want to share to you a beautiful Bible verse, something uplifting, hopeful, and perfect to start a new day. It's from Lamentations 3, verses 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for His compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. Every morning is a proof of God's unconditional love. Lamentations 3 verse 22 to 23 tells us that His compassion never fails and His mercy is renewed with every sunrise. That means tomorrow is not just another day. It's another chance, another blessing, another reminder that God isn't done working in your life. No matter what happened today, stress, disappointment, or heaviness, you don't have to carry it into tomorrow. God is giving you fresh mercy, new strength, renewed hope. Walk into the day with confidence. You are loved, you are covered by grace, you are held by a God whose faithfulness never changes. I'm inviting you to pray with me. Lord, thank you for the fresh mercy you prepare for me every morning. Thank you that your love doesn't expire, weaken, or change with my circumstances. Help me step into tomorrow with hope, trusting that your faithfulness will meet me again. Fill my heart with peace and remind me that I am held by a love that never fails. Amen.